All right, our last part for our review is a few other vocabulary words that we haven't really hit on during the other questions. So the other questions focused a lot on those states of matter and how they change between each other, but there's a few other words that are really important for us to know. So, one, see if you can draw or define a heat transfer. What does that mean, and how does it always transfer from what to what? You might remember a really cool little song, Heat Transfer is really neat. Apparently, I need to listen to it again. It's been a minute. So, heat transfer is really neat. It always goes from. So, hopefully, you listen to that and know that song. That is true. Always goes from something to something. Show me that here or tell me about it. Then decide, could you explain that to somebody, or you get it but couldn't teach it, or you would like more help. And then we've got the kinetic energy theory. So we've got gases, right? They always are moving around fast. We've got flowy liquids. We've got vibrating solids. What is that? Kinetic means to move. Energy theory, kinetic energy theory. So could you help, or you got it, or you would like more help? And then density, what does it mean? So, right, things that are packed together, things that are spread out, where do they tend to be compared to each other? So what makes them more dense or less dense? And then how would they kind of line up if you were to pour them together or stack them on top of each other or something like that? So could you teach about density, or you get it but wouldn't feel comfortable explaining it, or you would like more help on that? So go ahead and think about those words. If you're not sure about any of them, I would go back into your Canvas page and see what assignments talk about heat transfer, energy theory, or density to help review. So go ahead and finish up your definitions.